Hi guys, I'm Sead from Warthog Defense. We have a great battle footage today. We are going to see a lot of destroyed Russian armor. A combat vehicle sometimes can explode by themselves, or not. Maybe there is something that is hitting them. Let's see.
There is not a better way to start a video than with a spectacular footage. A Turkish sailor shows Ukrainian air defense targeting Russian drones in Odessa last night. The miracle of this unique natural explosion of a combat vehicle is quite rare. One seeing it can be sure that somewhere a new white Lada was just born. FPV drone of the Ukrainian 47th Brigade makes Russian BTR-82A disappear in Stepove area, Avdiivka front. I have no idea what caused this much explosions. Probably the vehicle was full with explosives. Russian Uralvagonzavod has successfully completed contracts for the supply of T-90M Prorv and T-72B3M tanks. As you can see, the assembly of the new T-90M with improved hump protection, 2023 version, and the modernization of the T-72B3 are underway on the same line. Good. More targets for Ukrainian drones. This Russian PT-91 was most likely blown up by a mine. It is clear that the vehicle lost speed, the right track was shot down, the left one is not visible, but judging by the crater, it's not very good either. They tried to pull it away, judging by the cables. The egg wars in Russia are in full swing. In Russia, an attempt was made to kill the owner of the largest poultry farm, all because of eggs. Gennady Shiryaev, the head of the Tretyakov poultry farm in the Voronezh region and a former regional Duma deputy, was driving his Volkswagen on the Kursk-Saratov highway. 2 kilometers from his house, an unknown person fired twice at the SUV. Shiryaev suffered no injuries. Now the shooter is being searched for. It should be noted that 2 days ago, the Office of the Federal Anti-Monopoly Service initiated a case against Shiryaev's poultry farm because of the strong increase in egg prices. And while the propaganda clowns claim that the people in the West will eat grass and roots because of the war with Russia, common eggs in Russia became so expensive because Russians eat too many of them, Russian authorities claim. The analysis showed that in this case, the quality of life of our citizens has increased, and they have increased the consumption of meat products in general, chicken meat as a dietary product, and eggs. Vladimir Gutinev, chairman of the State Duma Committee on Industry and Trade.
Анализ показал, что в данном случае возросло качество жизни наших граждан и они увеличили потребление, в принципе, мясных продуктов, куриного мяса, диетического.
Military porn. USS Dewey shooting down a target drone with a laser.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this story, and the new video is coming up tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.